Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let us continue with the discussion of gold versus US dollar, the GBP versus US dollar, and the euro versus US dollar for the 2nd of July, which is today. Okay, so let's go straight to the charts and discuss further from where we left off previously. Okay, so let us continue with the discussion. Okay, so when we were discussing the gold previously on the Friday when market closed over here, you guys can clearly see that we were sellers in this gold market, and you guys can see that market gave us a few opportunities over here, and over here to sell from the minor support level, and this one single opportunity was to sell from a major selling area. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit for you guys and let me take all these trades in front of you guys so you guys can better understand how much profit or loss would you guys have made. So this will be our first entry. If you guys have taken this entry, your stop loss will be just above this previous candle and your take profit will be approximately over here, giving you guys a 2.05% profit at least. Then again, market gave us an opportunity to sell from here when market closed just below our area of short-term resistance. This will be our stop loss just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.6% profit. Okay, then market gave us this opportunity. This was a huge candle. Maybe I would have preferred to stay out of the market because I do not usually trade huge candles. But still, if you guys would have done that, then you guys would have so far made 0.7% profit if you guys have not yet closed this trade. Then afterwards, market gave us this opportunity to sell once again. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit would be less than 0.3%, so we would have hit our stop loss over here. Okay, and then afterwards, this running candle is about to give us an opportunity to sell. So if market closes just below our area of short-term resistance, we can take a short position. Okay, so that's all for today. For the gold analysis, you guys can clearly see that market has respected our given areas of resistance. You guys can see that market respected our area of this whole this area over here, and market is respected over here as well, and our major area of resistance has also been respected. Okay, so our marking of areas is currently perfect. So let us just move forward these scenarios for the 2nd of July, which is today. Okay. Okay, so as you guys can see that I have moved forward the key for entities forward. Currently market is trending over here in this area. The rate is 2324, 2322, running approximately somewhere around here. Okay, and our major area of resistance and major area of support are going to remain same for this gold versus US dollar. And that's all for today. I hope you guys will be making good profit in this gold versus USD. Let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair from where we left off previously. Okay, so let us see that how market behaved with us in this pair. Okay, so when we were discussing previously, the market was trending approximately over here. So once market closed above our area of support, we could have taken a buying entry. And from the major area of the minor area of resistance, you guys can clearly see that market has given us a selling opportunity over here. But this was a big candle. I think we would have preferred to stay out of the market. So let me see that how much profit or loss would you guys have made by taking this entry over here. Okay, so this will be the only entry that you guys would have taken on the 1st of July over here, and you guys would have made a profit of approximately at least 5.4%, okay, which is a very good and decent profit. You guys could have also taken an entry over here, but since this candle did not really touch our area of support, so I'm not taking this entry for you guys. So other than that, you guys can clearly see that market is still moving sideways within our marked area of support. Market just bumped in this candle, just tapped in our area of short-term resistance, and then again came down. Okay, so we are still looking for good selling positions in this GBP USD pair, and as you guys can see that market is accumulating to take a sideways. Market is accumulating, and I think that market will take a dump downwards. You guys can see from here the market is just simply moving in somehow in this direction. Okay, so it is expected that market will go down further. Okay, so now let me move forward the scenarios for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP USD pair for on 2nd of July as well. Okay, so we have moved forward the key for entries for you guys. So just be vigilant. If market gives us a good opportunity of buying from here, you guys can take a buying entry as well. But just be vigilant that our major concern is to take good selling positions in this GBP USD pair. Okay, the area of resistance and support have remained same. So I have mentioned over here these are as it is, and only the scenarios have been moved forward. So look for the scenario number 4, 5 and 6 to be executed as per this key for entries method, and you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro versus US dollar pair from where we left off previously. Okay, so we were looking for some good selling opportunities in this Euro USD pair, and you guys can clearly see that market gave us those opportunities over here, and then over here, and then approximately somehow over here as well. Okay, so we were looking for good selling opportunities. So let us see that how much profit or loss we would have made in this Euro USD pair. Okay, so this will be our selling entry over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.6% profit only, which is very less. And then again market gave us an opportunity to sell from here, so let me take this trade in front of you guys. So our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately somehow over here, giving us a 0.49% profit. Then market almost tapped in our area of resistance, and then market gave us these two candles to take some short positions, but I'm not going to take these positions because you guys can see that market did not really touch these two areas. So I'm going to move this scenario a little bit down, so you guys can easily take trades in this from this area in future. Okay, so rather a little, okay, approximately over here. Okay, so now let me move forward these scenarios for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades in this Euro versus USD pair for today, which is the uh, 2nd of July, and you guys can clearly see. Let us see the market in the longer term. Market is totally sideways, and market is accumulating. But you guys can see that market has tried to broke past this area and made some new highs over here, or the recent new highs. And let us see that if market does not break below this area, then the and market breaks above these areas, then maybe we can notice a short-term shift in the trend towards the buying side. Okay, but don't worry, we are always ready for every kind of move, so just be vigilant. So let me just simply move forward the scenarios. Okay, so I have moved forward the scenarios in this euro versus US dollar pair. You guys can clearly see that our area of resistance and support are intact. So we'll be looking for some good selling opportunities in this euro USD pair. So look for the key for entries number 4, number 5, and number 6 to be executed, and you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so that's all for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Till then, if you guys have not yet hit the like and subscribe button, then please do, and I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.